Hi, this is John with WTI, and I own the Jabra Evolve 75s. Those are the headsets that I work for from home, and they work really good in their connection just as a normal connection of Bluetooth. But if you really want to take your connection to the next level, using the Jabra dongle is going to give you the basic stability when it comes to having a basic stability with your connection of your Bluetooth. So we know that Bluetooth could be a little bit problematic when it comes to a stable connection. But when you add to your headsets a dongle like this one here, and something that I like a lot from here is that it will tell you the status of what is happening with your headset. If it's right now working on a Zoom call, or if it's working on any conference, if it's muted, and the whole status, it will tell you in different colors. If it is blue, it is green, or it is red. And it will tell you exactly what is happening. It's really nice, keeps your connection stability in a great shape, and it's always going to work great for your headset. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.